Hello everyone, welcome to Geo Info YouTube channel. My channel is motivation, understanding, easy learning, knowledge, innovative of education, awareness related to health. Every useful news will be to you. Thank you so much supporting me. Thank you for joining with us. Today we are seeing an interesting topic related to especially school teachers and any organization working people and other apart from other people. We go, don't waste time, go first. You go on Google, type with the test moso. This is the first one. Open the window will be open. I think I told for him this. If you want to log in, you want to pay nearly 3,800 something our Indian currency, means 50% $50 likes. So if you want to freely, you can do. Also, you conduct the test. Easily create the test for your classes, business, and organization. Very helpful for you. Mainly, what purpose is adjust for few settings and add the question paper, and URL will be sent to your students. Especially teacher very helpful for them. And another thing, main is you have conducted test at a time more. They are all given for the test simply. Every features and given for below run where you are sending image form or a word form, video should be added, or your puzzles like multiple choice question like answers type, which type of question paper, true or false, or filling the blanks, essay types. So many types of is question paper you can add for them examination. It's very helpful for you. You can set your language of students also. So the single question paper, randomized order answer question you can select it, and custom message displays. So you can, if you have, if you want to more about thing, you can read free time. You can read for everything one by one. So let's go down. First one is this is home pages. First one is home. This one is features. What are the features they're given? I'm showing the features. I told great question paper and great survey question paper, question bank tools, and find insert and testers, and easy question paper. This all method you can do. And videos, images, already I told upload the explanation. That example given everything you can to conduct for. This is mathematics slides also you can do for them. Not only that, this is a college students or university students for them, and school students, and in the office related work also, business also very helpful for them. This is the prices already I told. If you want to sign up, you want to pay $50,000 or say Indian rupees 3,800 something amount will you want to pay. If you have any frequently questions, you have doubt, you can ask him, and they will be clarify for that. You are recording your doubts regarding URL or whatever. This is a login. Already I told, if you want to log in and password, you want to create login and password, sign up, and you want to pay the amount. So now you have to do for freely. How can conduct, I tell for them. Build up the test. First one is you click the build up the test. If you want to demo, you can do demo also given for them. For example, test of name. For example, if you have, you want to give name anything for them. For example, I give for our channel name YAMGM JM Info 5. I give the channel name. Okay, choose the password. I want to choose the password for them. Okay, create the test. One thing, don't forget your password. I do mistake again, retype my password. Something mistake happen. You want to correctly type your password. Okay, don't forget your password and URL also. They're asking you want to save or no. I never no need. I know our my password. These are adjustments, add the question, publish, and view the result. This is the main four column is there. First one is settings. We can see this is settings. Settings like if you want to your name any changes you can change here. If you want to introduction, what like if you want to Otherwise you want to change any colors, like if you want to blue, you can choose like colors. To question setting, you can select show all the question testing one page, or show one question per page, like what type of you want to. You can select your review settings. If you conclusion anything, if you want to review, you can mention here. And apart from next one is test outline, assess the control, everything you can do for here. Next one is main thing is, another one is this all how much time you are testing you are completed, how much time you are giving to students, that all you can fill for the right side. And left side, anyone enter the password, any identity you want to give, or mail you can share, anything you can get it. For example, a browser function, how type you want to do, cut copy paste, like what you want you can do, like everything. And notification, if you want to, suppose you want to receive the mail from regarding any finishing the test, suppose after student finish the test, they will be automatically mail should be come for you. So we'll go, don't waste time, go next question. This is a home page, first page. For example, I give the multiple choice question paper. If you want to, which one you are, multiple choice, true or false, mathematics, whatever you want you can select. For example, I select for one multiple choice question. Okay, first question I type here. You can edit for this function. I type one question. How old are you? For example, I select one question. For sample only I put here. For example, choice one, I can select for here. For example, 3 years, 5 years, 8 years, 12 years. Suppose my answer is I given for 5 years, for example. So that answer will be automatically selected down. Okay. So if you want to other question, if you want to another question, you want to choose one more thing, automatically come another question. So that's only if you want to point, I give 2 point credit. Next question I select here. If you want to add, you can add. Otherwise, you can do. If you want to do undo, you can do also. They save, no need to save if you automatically saved. If for example this one question I have finished. If you have another question, sir, for example, what is your school name? For example, I select answer KKK, like MMM, like SSS, like for Delhi, PPPP, like. Okay, for example, I select S is the correct answer. Okay, so two answers selected. So everything I two question I given for him. For example, this only whatever you want you can type. Again, I go for publish. Given further, if you want to print out, if you want to download Word document, you can here explanation also it should be given. If you want to download, we can click here, view the print and download. Next page open automatically. You can see there. your paper. What they're automatically downloaded. Now you can click the open the your document. For example, I click here. After everything finished, you go for the publication. Wait 1 minute. Now opening. So this is test for publish for year. This is ID. If you want to save this URL. For example, I copy here, click the next window, I paste it here, and same time, okay, I am waiting for the result page. For example, suppose I am student, I click here once again. For example, my name is John, John. For example, John. I click here, student login. This is so I give the answer. First question I given wrong answer. Second question I give correct answer. So I give submit. The you see here. So fifth one is correct and another one is wrong. So I again log out. 67% I have. So student will be log out. So now we go for our window. Go for publications. Go for result paper. See here, the Jan is appearing exam 67 mark percentage. Started finishing time. That mark everything will be coming here. This like you can search any students and responding exams. You can view the edit log. Also, you can do copy the clipboards. You can copy if you want to copy. You can copy like everything you can do for them. Next one is this is simple way you can conduct for exam response for a grade find grade. Suppose if you want to find grade that also download for Excel sheet and responding grade if you want to that also you can download for here responding grade also. For example, you can open the if so many students suppose you are giving very easily you can understand. For example, you can see here Excel sheet will be open. So students however that answer everything comes so you get easily find out keep it your custody also. So Excel form also very helpful for you. So next one is another one is the responding grade. The responding grade is nothing but that also how many students how much responding they grade for given that also given for this is a responding grade. So you can see how much response they given for from students. So both Excel sheet will be coming whatever your result you can see at last for them. Okay, at last you are everything finished. You go for logouts. Okay, this is admin password. You know admin password you can type and again you can re-go for them. Okay, thank you very much. This is very useful for you. Okay, please subscribe Geo Infofy channel. Don't forget click the bell icon notify all time. Thank you once again.
இதுவரை ஜெயம் இன்ஃபோ 5 சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க கீழே இருக்க ரெட் கலர் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. கூடவே பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. இது போல அருமையான வீடியோவை உங்களுக்காக காத்திருக்கு.